This is Cloudflare CEO saying that Starlink needs new internet traffic rules built for satellites. And Elon Musk caught wind of this idea and said, "Hey, send it to that team." I guess that makes sense there. Cloudflare, which again is ticker NET, their CTO Dane Connect proposed that this company and space exploration technology, or SpaceX's Starlink, jointly rethink a core layer of internet networking for low Earth orbit satellites. This prompted Elon Musk to send the idea to Starlink's team. Quote, "Bandwidth is half of it. Most congestion controls still assumes a stable path and a stable RTT. LEO is neither," end quote. That is from Connect in a post on Monday. He goes on to say, "Area needs innovation all the way down to the stack. Cloudflare and Starlink should be building that together." Musk caught wind of this tweet and said, quote, "Send your X post to @Starlink," end quote. That actually, really quickly, just for those of you that remember, that actually reminds me of something Jason, our former founder, would have done here. He would see a real good idea from someone random on the internet, and they would tweet at him, and he would say something like, "Hey, tweet that to the team." It's nice to see Elon Musk doing something similar. Congestion control algorithms regulate how quickly devices send data back by reacting to signals such as packet loss and round trip time, or RTT. Cloudflare says Cubic, the default controller in its open source quick implementation quiche, governs how connection probes available bandwidth and back off when networks appear congested. That becomes harder in orbit, however. Research on LEO networks has found that moving satellites, handovers, and changing routes can create abrupt RTT shifts and non-congestion related losses that existing algorithms may misread, reducing throughput or increasing latency. The 2026 experimental study found current approaches still face trade-offs between throughput, delay-like retransmissions, and Starlink-like networks. The proposal arrives as Starlink scales rapidly. SpaceX reported 12 million subscribers at the end of the second quarter, double the year earlier figure. Cloudflare found Starlink traffic passing through its network in an increased 2.3-fold during 2025. SpaceX has also been pushing the physical network harder. Musk recently said Starlink can provide reliable 10 gigabit per second symmetric connectivity globally, while proposed Gen 3 satellites could deliver more than 10 times the bandwidth of V2 spacecraft and orbit lower to cut latency. Starlink said its U.S. network delivered median peak hour latency of 25.7 milliseconds and about 200 megabits per second median peak hour download speeds as of July 2025, with beam switching available above 99.9%. And I'll be honest, I know we've kind of joked about, hey, Ryan, you should get Starlink. That way you can get rid of Comcast and get rid of some of the outages. And while all of that's true, ultimately, I still think I want to see these speeds climb higher than 200 megabits per second. I mean, anyone that's streamed movies or television knows that you're going to want something faster than that anyway. We're talking about trading and hosting and doing all of these other things. Definitely want to see more speed than that. That would be one of my big holdouts anyway. Connect's proposal targets the software layer beneath those capacity gains. Cloudflare has spent years tuning TCP and quick performance across its network, where Starlink continuously shifts users among fast-moving satellites. Tailoring congestion control to those dynamics could improve responsiveness and make better use of available bandwidth without simply adding capacity. So again, we'll see how Starlink goes. Their business right now is elite. Hopefully that continues. Hopefully we get some better speeds out of that.